Today we are checking out Lost Johnny Point Campground. We're in the Flathead National Forest, just along Hungry Horse Reservoir. Campsites on this one are $18 per night with a 16-day stay limit. Paved campsites here. Let's look at campsite number 1. Rooms coming up. A little spread out. Campsite 2. A lot of vegetation here. Picnic tables off to the right. Reservable campsites here. I'll post a link to make reservations in the video comments. Site 3 on the right. Let's check that out. A lot of green vegetation here. This one, trail right in front of us leads up behind a couple of trees, and then the picnic table is uphill and to the right. So I'm here in early June, first full week of June. I think today's might be the 7th. Been up here on a work trip for a few days. Once you get to the town of Hungry Horse, where we turned off to get into here, Hungry Horse itself is about 12 miles from the west entrance to Glacier National Park. Campsite 4. 2 picnic tables. Get a view of the lake here. Pretty nice. Got a site coming up here on the right. Should be number 5. Yeah, shorter fifth wheel and 5 with a view of the lake there as well. Yeah, if you do like the guy in the last site, then you can get a trailer in here and just park sideways by the entrance. Nice view here. That was site 6. Seven will be on the left. Pretty closed in on this one. Really on the last one too, on Lost Johnny Campground. Lots of vegetation. Site 8 on the right. 8's another great one with a view of the lake. Site 9 is a double wide with a kind of a walk-in across from the restrooms. I'd say that's probably my least favorite so far. 10. 11. There's 12 on the right. I like 12. Unfortunately, a couple of these are occupied, so it's difficult to go in. 13 left. 14 with the truck blocking it. 15 is on the left. Now we get a boat ramp here. So plenty of parking if you're coming camping, and I guess you can't put your boat in your campsite. You can park in this parking lot here. Do not enter here. Site 16. So I guess this, there's the exit for the boat ramp. There's 17. Quite a little ways uphill. Get a workout. So I guess this little campground tour is probably going to bring in a lot of people that are not familiar with our channel. We go around and record mostly U.S. Forest Service and Bureau of Land Management campgrounds. Occasionally state parks and other stuff too, but mostly the Forest Service and BLM campgrounds. But we've got over 300 campgrounds in Colorado recorded now. And occasionally venture off into some surrounding states like Wyoming or Montana, South Dakota, Utah. All right, 18, right. And 19 is left, and then 20 on the right. A few more sites in here than I'm expecting. And that was the camp host. And here we are. Cool. Thanks for watching.